What's up, Maniacs? Ryan here, and I got a super special treat for you today. I'm here with the Magic Man.
How's it going, guys? I'm the Magic Man.
What's up, dude?
Just chilling, just here at SEMA 2023.
Yeah, this guy does some amazing work with paint, if you call it paint. Why don't you give us a little clue on exactly what do you call what you do?
So I would just say it's a crazy imagination. So I go home, I sleep, I find something in my head when I'm dreaming, and then I bring it to life. This is the first ever wide body that is actually lit, and it's the first wide body that's actually infused with metal. Now I do carbon fiber staining, metal engraved paintwork, but everything's done by my hands. That's probably why they look all raggedy, but we won't talk about that.
So this stuff is really cool. This isn't your average looking paint. There's all kinds of patterns. You can see the metal through it. How do you, I know you can't give us the details, but what do you kind of do to get like the metal showing through the
I'm going to be honest with you. The easiest part is to show the metal through it. The hardest part is to actually keep the metal on, the paint on the metal without falling off.
Okay.
Metal is very porous, so I have to spend hours and hours treating the metal before I could even custom paint over the metal.
Wow. Wow.
So it's a long process.
Yeah, it's a lot of, you put a lot of work into this. How much time do you have into this car behind us?
This one is about 2,000 hours.
That is a lot of time.
It's definitely a lot of time, but it's definitely every minute in it. I love it. I love what I do.
And so this one, even beyond the special paint work, you've actually got lights showing through what appears to be solid parts.
Yeah, this is actually a Liberty wide body kit. It's going to cost you guys about $50,000 to get this on.
Wow.
When I took it, I actually took it to sandblasting and blasted holes and completely destroyed a $50,000 wide body.
Wow.
Then I said, oops, I got to fix it. And this is me fixing it, making it look pretty cool.
Yeah, it looks really, really cool.
Thanks a lot, brother.
Yeah, the lights coming around the fenders.
The whole fender, the front bumper, everything light up.
The taillights are amazing on here.
Tail lights, the aero glow, I freaking love it.
Yeah, it turned out really, really cool. What did you do special on the wheels?
The wheels are actually the first ever that I've done. I did a fusion with powder coat and paint. I put a chemical in the paint so it wouldn't melt. And then also I did the first ever reflective metal engraved paint job.
Oh my word.
So you could see they look dark, but then the second you go ahead and shine the light on it, you could see it actually start reflecting and start glowing on you.
That is awesome.
When this thing's in the garage cooling off, the whole car lights up as a glow-in-the-dark paint job.
Wow.
So I went down above and beyond on this one.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Well, you did a great job with it. The other thing I noticed that stands out is you have an awesome Bible verse, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, man. Fellow believer, that's great.
And if
great
you guys,
job on this. You got any shout outs you want to give to anybody?
Actually, right here, let's go through all the sponsors. First things first, BK Customs, they helped me cut out all the metal engraving stuff right here. He's actually the owner of the car.
Okay.
And he gave me the opportunity to, you know, destroy a GTR and bring it back out. So super excited with, and then right here, Overnight Graphics. They do all my wrap work. They did this car right here, makes it look amazing, seamless work, and he did all the light ups. So what you're seeing, all the lights, that's actually from Overnight Graphics.
Well, good job on this, dude.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for the interview.
And you guys have a blessed day, and we'll keep in touch.
Yeah, see you in the next one.